Hello.
Hi. So this is the car.
Keys are locked inside?
Yeah, they're locked like right here.
Okay. I'll grab the tool and I'll open it.
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna pick the lock.
Do you also make extra keys?
Yeah, I can make you a key. All right, where is the key?
It's back here.
You want me to go and get it?
The key?
Because I'm pretty sure that when I'm gonna unlock it, the alarm is gonna go off. So when I'm gonna open the door, the alarm is gonna go off.
Just unlock it and then I'll try and open the back.
I don't think it's gonna open. You want me to go in there and get it for you, or? I don't mind doing it.
What was happening, I was trying to change this, right? And then it accidentally closed on the key. So even if I move it, like it'll lock when this moves. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know if like
kinda.
the key's like in there. So I had to like go all the way to the back and then maybe, oh, if you do that, it's gonna lock.
No, it's fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
Want me to show you how it happens?
It's not gonna open because I think the alarm is active. So here's the thing, so the car has an alarm or whatever. So when I open it with a tool, it opens the door, but the rest of the car is gonna stay locked. So I'm pretty sure that that's the case. But
you can go in and get.
Yeah, I'll go get it for you.
So it's gonna be like here somewhere.
It's gonna be here.
Yeah, like somewhere in here.
Okay. All right, here's the key.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
I make videos for YouTube.
Oh, do you?
So I thought it would be funny to go through here and give you the key like that.
Oh, okay. Am I gonna be on YouTube?
Can I put it on YouTube?
I guess, yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Alright, the key is programmed. Alright, here's the new key.
Nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, I got it.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.